Ain't she sweet? She's a whoring down the street.
Oops, came undone again.
What in God's name are you doing?
I'm supposed to be performing at CC's Cabaret at 5:30.
Where?
Here, I guess.
Oh,
I think they canceled her. That's what I heard.
Yeah, I think they canceled. No one told you.
I know.
Here, turn to the side. My God. Let me get a hold. Good Lord. What a beauty.
Again. So chic.
Here, Jeff.
One more time.
This is a different leopard skin outfit than the last
Don't run away yet. I want to
time.
get. It's still taping.
Okay.
I want to get a still picture of you too.
Okay, hold up.
Work it.
Oh, you shot might get a little better with it.
Beautiful, Doc. This is my new wife. This is my new wife.
Trophy wife.
That's my trophy wife.
Bury your head in there, motor.
You're a star!
Glamour.
Alright. Okay, now I want a still picture.
Okay.
Got my little dildo holder?
Hold on, don't run away. You want one too?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
yeah. Say titty.
Titty.
Oh wait!
Oh.
I turned it off.
Oh.
I keep doing that with this fucking camera.